Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Winds Tarot, and this is your January love and work forecast for Aries. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is an Aries, this reading is for you. If you know an Aries, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Winds Tarot because if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading. Yes, friends, at the end of every month, one lucky person will be selected, so by random name selection. So subscribe, like, and share. That's our way to give back to your love and support. If you want to donate to our channel, thank you so much. Please visit our website, message there, or you can email me directly for donations. Thank you so much. Many of you donated, and thank you. It's been really tough with these changes in the world and the decks getting so costly, expensive. So thank you for helping. Any donations you send will go to the channel, friends. They don't go to my personal use. They go to your readings, our family, for the betterment of this channel, or for the awakening. It won't go to me for sure. That's for sure, friends. And let's see, Aries, what's going to happen. You can also cross watch it for an Aries person if you know. Let's see, friends, what is going to be the theme of the month for Aries. Okay, the karma and the Ace of Pentacles. Wow. Some things are balancing for you, friends. This is a very, very, very important month for you because you start with this major arcana. The theme is, this January is life changing for you because, karma, positive changes are coming for you. Things which were denied from you, they will be given to you now. If someone did you wrong, they are going to be sorry because now you are going to be in success. You are going to reap the rewards. I also feel, this is about your life purpose also, Aries. Like some of you may be shifting your life purpose, or you may suddenly have a calling to just go and start something new in your work or career. Your life purpose is changing, Aries. This is a life changing month for you. Because I see like some of you maybe, maybe like for an example, I can give you like you were doing a job, but suddenly you realize that your life purpose is to teach kids maybe. So you'll go out and teach. You will feel a calling this month, friends. Your life purpose is changing. A major life revelation is going to happen, and it is very important for some of you. You are going to find new ideas, or you are going to start a new business, new job, new better finances. So life is changing. For some of you, maybe you ended a marriage and you are worried, or you are living alone, so you are worried about your finances. Things are going to get better for you, friends. Absolutely. And a new start is going to happen for you for sure. And I see financially a lot of money coming your way, a new start, a stable new start. Also, if someone did you wrong, that will also be balanced out. Look at that, 10 of cups of happiness. Yes, a new start, a new family. For some of you, if your family was not treating you right, Aries, now you can expect more support, more stability. If you were single, you might meet somebody who is destined to marry you. If you were recovering from a marriage, ending or relationship ending, you will find something stable, some stable relationship. So a lot of positive karma, a lot of destiny, a lot of, this is a life changing month for you, Aries, for sure. Oops. Your love life, 9 of Pentacles. You see, even I didn't ask, but they just giving the cards. The 7 of Wands, 7 of Swords. Let's see, Aries, their love life in January. 3 of Cups, okay. The Fool, the 2 of Swords. Okay, let's see what's that. Ace of Swords, breakthroughs. The Hermit. Aries, who is coming for them? Aries, love life. King of Cups, the 9 of Swords. The High Priest. Aries, their love life. Yeah, a lot of choices are opening for you, Aries. There are a lot of choices. I feel you start the month feeling like, yes, your focus is on personal independence. Your focus is on yourself, what makes you happy. You are valuing yourself, Aries. You don't want to deal with anyone who does not value you. I also feel you are enjoying your success or how far you have come in life. So, some of you are valuing yourself, you are taking you have come a long way, Aries. So, value yourself and you're very proud of how far you have come. I also see that some of you are just done with cheating, lies, and deceit in love and relationships or marriages. So, you're like, nah, not thinking about love at the start of January. You're focused on friendships, you're focused on spending some time with people you love, your friends, your family, you're okay with making friends but saying no to love, and that's how you feel at the start of January, Aries. In the second week of January, I feel there is a person from the past who was no contact. They're gonna come towards you. This person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or they could be an Aquarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, friends. This person has been away from you in no contact since a very, very long time. So they might message you online, or they might suddenly message you, call you, and it might be a very important call, like, hey, let's talk. And you will be surprised when they call you, like, why is this person calling me out of all this time? Because they want a new start with you, they want to take a leap of faith towards you. I also feel it could be a secret admirer coming towards you, someone you know, someone who is a friend who likes you, but they haven't told you. They have feelings, they might tell you they like you, but you will feel a little confused no matter who is approaching or messaging you, Aries. You will feel a little bit confused, like, yeah, what is going on? I'm not too sure, because you're ready for your focus is on work, your focus, you feel like love is a waste of time. So you're like, why is this person coming now after all this time? But in the mid of January, I do see that this person is going to really emotionally serenade you. They are going to send you lots of messages, or you're gonna feel a lot of, warmth and love for this person. It could be a old lover or friend or someone new. You're gonna feel a lot of attachment and love for them. This person may also feel like, they are a little scared of your power, Aries, or they are nervous around you, so they can't talk properly with you, because you are very powerful. Aries are very powerful, although they are loving and kind, but people, this person is getting like cold feet, nervousness because of your energy, because they love you so much. I also feel that this person wants to marry you, but they are too scared of the family or the difference in culture, religion, long distance. They are a little scared. I also feel maybe this person is going through some health issues, so they are trying to recover from it, and they promise you that they will marry you. So there is a lot happening in this connection in the mid of the month. I also see that, you will feel very attached to this person, whoever it is, and some maybe this person wants to marry, or you want to get married, so that will also be the point of discussion. At the end of this month, you're gonna feel like a little you're gonna feel like, how is this person doing, what are they valuing you or not. I feel this person is from some other city or country. Your connection is quite deep and infinite, but you are still not sure whether to choose this person or to say or commit to this person, even because somewhere, Aries, you are like, will this person be able to support you financially, mentally, or will they be able to commit to you? It feels like they are not ready, or if they are a little hesitant, you might say, you might not wait for them, Aries. So there is a lot of choices for you. Five of Pentacles. See, you might feel like, your focus is less on love and more on work and life, destiny and all those things, life path, life destiny. You will still find and connect with this person, but if they are not valuing you, you will not waste your time, Aries, I'm telling you. Let's see some this could be a past husband or wife for some of you also. So yeah, let's see some advice for Aries for their love life. Yeah, movement choices and decisions. A lot of choices are coming your way. You may have to choose between a past lover and work, or you may have to choose between two new lovers. So, a lot of choices. Or should you focus on love at all or not? Crown chakra, yeah. You have to listen to your intuition, friends. You have to listen to the signs which are coming. The decisions won't be so easy, like yeah, yes or no. This is something very deep. This relationship is very deep. You have this is a whoever is coming to you in January, they share a deep past life connection with you, so a lot of things are happening. And recognition and reward, three of, yeah, you will accept any person who values you, then you are okay. If they understand who you are and values the commitment, you'll be fine, Aries. Otherwise you will be like bye bye. So let's see your work and career, Aries. Oh, Ten of Swords, the Tower. See, that's why your focus is not on love, because so much is happening in your work. The Four of Cups, Seven of Wands, and the Justice. Yeah, some of you may actually, maybe you are going through very tough times. So, maybe you are struggling, your job is struggling, or you have no job, financially you are struggling, your business is struggling. I do feel you will find some relief from your struggles and challenges in work and money. Some sudden news will come, and it will, or some sudden insights will come, messages, signs, ideas, which will change your career, which will change your life. So this is a life changing month for you. Your destiny is shifting, your life purpose is shifting. Some of you may just decide to leave a job, like you feel like burdened, you feel like you can't do it. But don't worry, a better person or a better job or career is coming. So yeah, I also would suggest you not to leave a job at this point of time, but keep open to starting something side by side. Like, justice is there. So if someone is pressurizing you, or someone is not, something is not going fair, things will get better in your work, money sector, and education. But I would suggest that you keep your patience and don't just leave things or leave a job or something just because you want to leave it, or it's too difficult, because nevertheless you are going to find something which is going to change your life. Justice is going to happen for you. Money is coming your way. Look for the ideas, friends. Look for the ideas, the signs, because I feel some of you are going to change your life purpose. You are going to start doing what you came on earth to do. Like, some of you came here to teach, some of you came here to teach children, connect with animals, become doctors, healers, lawyers, judges, so you're going to do that. And you may not be allowed, maybe like you want to be a musician, singer, but your family is saying no, no, no. I think you will find the solutions this month. Whatever the challenge is in your work or career, you will find the solution. Keep your mind open and listen to the signs. Let's see some advice which I feel is necessary. Yeah, temptation, intuition. See, we had the similar cards earlier also. You'll be very tempted, you'll be very tempted to start something new. You are like, no, I'm done. I can't wait. I just can't wait anymore. I want change in my life. I'm done with it. My destiny is bigger. I'm not supposed to live small. I'm supposed to be a millionaire. Yes, you are right, Aries. Exactly. But listen to your intuition. Divine timing is at work. Number 2 is about patience. Number 2 is about planning. Number 2 is about the right time and the right place. And there is the prosperity begins. Ace of Pentacles. Look at that. Again, the same card. Twice you have it. So something is going to start, but don't forcefully start it. Some new thing is going to start for you automatically on its own, but try to keep your patience. It may happen by this month or by the next month, so please keep your patience, Aries. I know it's tough, but yeah, it's not easy to wait, friends, especially when you know that a change is coming and you are ready for it. Let's see, Aries. See, pin. A new job or a career. See, that's the confirmation. A new job is coming, and you know that. You can feel it. Like, no, I'm done with it. I want to do something else. But friends, please keep your patience. because you have a great destiny, and when it happens by divine timing, it's going to be the effort will be very little and success will be very high. Pin, a new job or a career is coming. Mule, someone is extremely stubborn. Yeah, you can be a bit stubborn this month, like nah, I wanna go. Tankard, celebration, fun is coming, love is coming. Yoo-hoo. Whale, great worry over nothing. Yeah, relax, enjoy life. Older women is important. Wind chimes, peace and harmony is coming. Tree, affairs with your family. Family is very important for some of you. Scissors, disappointment in some affair. Rabbit, sexual, too much concerns with sexual matters. Yeah, temptation is here. You will be tempted, in this month. You'll be tempted with work and with lust. Feeling tied down or frustrated. You may feel frustrated and you may want to just jump. Like, I'm not feeling good. I wanna go. But don't do that. Misunderstanding. It is going to resolve. Some misunderstandings are there in your relationships or family. It will resolve and it will open the way to success and money. So, destiny is at work for you, Aries. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday. Bye for now.